Our boys Pikachu socks are. Look, those
Pikachu,
those are by far the darn best Pikachu socks I've ever seen, huh?
What up, Torch fam and beautiful viewers all around the world? My name is Alan.
My name is Trish.
And this is Coda Paw gnawing on a Pikachu ear. Now, this is the craziest Pikachu giveaway of all time.
We are giving away a Pikachu VMAX, a first edition Dark Jolteon, and a base set 2 Pikachu, and some other goodies.
We are opening a Vivid Voltage Elite Trainer box, and guess what? If we pull a Rainbow Rare Pikachu, it is getting slapped into the giveaway. So like always, we like to make it a little bit challenging for our viewers. There's gonna be a secret code throughout the video. It's gonna be hashtag something. I wonder what it's gonna be.
Without further ado,
you are awesome.
You are talented.
And you are loved. And you are cracking the seal on this beautiful Elite Trainer box. This is actually our first one. OMG, cool. It comes with a cool little booklet. I'm sure most of you probably already seen this here on other popular YouTuber channels. Oh my gosh. But still, this is our first one, so this is kind of crispy here. And by the way, thank you guys all so much for your continued support. We truly care about each and every single one of you that just take time out of your busy day to come here and watch us. We have not got a camera yet to have us in the video too. We haven't quite figured that all out yet, and we're still trying to save money, but we will get there, guys. Bear with us, we will get there, and we will not give up until we do. Oh my goodness, look at these sleeves. I think we're gonna have to replace those Crimson Invasion sleeves with the Chunky Chaw sleeves. Ooh, and we got some cool dividers if you guys don't know what comes in an Elite Trainer box. And here is a code card for all that stuff to get online. And oh my god, energies, the best thing you get in this package here. And we got some cool Pikachu themed dice. How nice is that? Slap them over there, and poison and burn counters. And OMG, wait, does this come with 10 or 8 packs? Okay, it comes with 8 packs, and we got 3 Chunky Chaw packs. How nice is that? So I'm gonna do 4, and Trish is gonna do 4, like always. And here we go, starting it off with a big fat Chunky Chaw. Here we go. Let's do it, guys. If we pull a Rainbow Rare Pikachu, I'm going to flip. I'm literally going to flip. Because guess what? It's going to one of you guys, because we got to give back to the community. You guys give us your time and watch our videos. It does not go unnoticed. It really doesn't. Sandile, Wilmer, Weedle. Let me scoot these cards up here. Beldum, Elefante, Reverse Flareon. Ooh, right off the bat, got a Holo Zapdos going into pack number 2. Zapdos, get back up there. Get back up there. Pack number 2, here we go. And like I said, if you guys didn't hear at the beginning of the video, there will be a secret code, hashtag something. That's how we do our giveaways. We like to make it a little bit challenging, but nothing too crazy. Beauty is a beauty. Stone Energy. We got a Shuckle just kicking it. Duskull, Voltorb, Weedle, Drillbur, Clefairy. We got a Reverse Whimsicott and Exploud. Why is that card even in the set? Okay, pack number 2. Here we go. Honestly, guys, can't get enough of Vivid Voltage. It's such an amazing set. And if we don't pull anything good, guys, we're going to bust open some Champions Path 2 and shoot for a Charizard, because we can't go out like that. Here is an Electric Energy, Drone Rotom. We got a Swoobat, Excadrill, Drillbur, lots of drills there. Oshawott, Duskull, wouldn't want to run to him in an alley. Ooh, Pharisee, don't know where you are. Looks like somewhere in China. Riolu, looking cool as ever. We got a Mighty Anna, and man, what? We got eggs. And this will be my last pack, and then Trish is going to take it over and kill the game, because she always gets the good pulls. Still can't get it. There we go. Oh my goodness. Gotta go sign up for like some pack opening classes or something, but I guess we will get better as time goes on. Oh my gosh, I saw something. Fighting Energy, last pack magic from me, Metang, Mightyena again, Electrike for this electrifying giveaway, Clefairy, Fampi, we've seen the same, ooh, he just wanted to jump, Yanma, Meowth, Loudred, and we got, ooh, baby, we haven't got that one yet, that is Crispy, that's the crispiest card I've ever seen, that is a crispy card, I'm talking like a redneck, but we got a Drapion V, looking crispy.
Still hoping to pull the amazing rare Jirachi. A little bit of trouble there. And I have to tap his full art and hollow. Let's see if I can do it. I don't know.
Can you do it?
Energy, Mightyena, Pinarchin, Loudred, Chimichou,
Chimichonga Chow.
Voltorb, Doggy Dog, Whismur, Reverse, ooh, Barraskewda.
And guys, we got our first donation by Lars Porschwitz or something like that. We're gonna do a short 1 pack because he donated $5, so that gets 1 pack. Anytime somebody donates to this channel, we are using it strictly for opening and shouting that person out, showing some love.
Charmeleon, oh, Pikipek, Mudbray, Jolteon, Weedle, Talo, Clefairy,
and another regular rare.
Oh my, can these last 2 packs bring
We might have to get some Champions Path too.
Yeah, we might just have to.
For sure. Come on, we need that Rainbow Chaw. I know everybody's hoping we pull it. We need it. We need Rainbow Chaw.
Top, so woo that.
I demand a Rainbow Chaw right now.
Talo, Yanma, whoop, there it is.
Whoop, there it is.
Dedenne.
Meditating.
Ooh, reverse B.
Ooh, okay,
and a hollow
okay.
Xerneas.
At least a
Okay,
hollow.
at least a hollow.
Okay, so you need a full art to tie.
I need a
out of
full
this
art.
pack right here, right now. Right here, right now. You need to pull some goodness. If not, we're just gonna bust open them Champions Path packs.
We're just gonna have to.
And if she don't get a good card, we're just gonna have to. We're gonna have to
Go
open.
out like
But
that.
let you guys know right now, comment hashtag Pikachu. That is the code to comment and enter this giveaway. Hashtag Pikachu. I repeat, hashtag Pikachu. Comment it right now to enter this giveaway. Oh my God, she tied with me. She tied with me.
I actually wanted to pull this card.
Oh my
too.
gosh. Alright guys, so me and Trish definitely tied there, so we gotta do a tiebreaker. She's gonna do 2 Champions Path, I'm gonna do 2 Champions Path, and guess what? You can earn additional entries by following us on Instagram, that's 1, sharing it to your Instagram story, that's number 2, sharing this on Facebook is number 3, and sharing it to your Twitter would be number 4. Now the catch is you have to screenshot it, the proof, and send it to our Instagram so we can account for it because we have no other way of telling. All we use is Instagram. So, ooh, it's a white and green, so that's a good sign. Didn't mean to show it. We don't really like showing code cards or seeing them. It takes the fun out of it. But yeah, guys, you can earn up to additional 4 entries, guys. So, here we go. Machoke, Kaboo, Absol. And again, if you missed it, the secret code is hashtag Pikachu. Comment that down below for your 1 entry. Scraggy, Roly-Coly, Nick It, Reverse Purloin, and a hollow Zygarde. Not too shabby. Oh yeah, I forgot. All the code cards are white and green. So, every pack in here is a hollow. We are so excited, guys, for Shining Fates. We did get our pre-order, guys, so we are going to have some of those. And Battle Styles as well. We just seen the 25th anniversary base set starters and reprints and whatever. I see something. Oh my goodness, what is it? It's probably a Dreadnought VMAX. Machop. Make like a Machop. Karate chop that like button. Machop. Make like a Machop. Karate chop that button. Zigzagoon and... make like Machop. Karate chop like button. And Eldegoss V. Not too bad. Alright, Trish, your pack.
Alrighty guys, it is pretty obvious what I am trying to pull out of Champion's Path. I'm looking for one of those Chars. I actually want to pull the shiny Charizard. Alright.
I want the rainbow. That one, I think that one's more common to get, more easier to get the rainbow. Char.
Yeah. All right, Rotom Bike, Machoke,
Make like a Machoke cry, shot that like button.
Kakuna, Rockruff, Vulpix, Potion, Kakuna. Ooh,
And another Zygarde.
All right, last pack magic. I'm really hoping to get something good out of here.
Yeah, if you get an ultra rare, then we're still tied.
Yep.
What are we gonna do? We'll just do rock, paper, scissors. Who
Yep.
wins this one, me or Trish? Here we go, here we go.
Alrighty, Energy, Malamar, Sharpedo, Arbok, Pokeball, NK, Zigzagoon, Trash, Full Heal, ooh, Reverse, and
Oh, it looks like I'm the winner!
let's go,
Alrighty guys, real quick, just want to show you what comes in the Pikachu giveaway package deal. We got a Pikachu VMAX, Pikachu promo. We got an electric energy. Just thought it'd be cool because this is an electrifying giveaway. Detective Pikachu, surfing Pikachu, flying Pikachu, base set 2 Pikachu, a first edition dark Jolteon. We got Ash's Pikachu. That's pretty nice. We got another holo promo Pikachu, and we have just this random reverse. So these cards are all from our personal collection, guys. We don't have a whole lot to give, but we'll do our very best as we grow, and maybe one day we get paid to buy our YouTube channel. Maybe one day we will do bigger giveaways, because that will always be a goal here at TeamTorchic, and these are some of the other things that come in the giveaway. Very nice and crispy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Your time is always valued here, and your support is always appreciated. It means the world to us.
If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. We upload about 1 to 3 videos per week.
Yep, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Torch fam. So glad to have you here today. And if you're already a part of the Torch fam, thank you for being here and being alive and being awesome. We will see you next time.